Using a levels adjustment layer to fix tone problems. From the New Adjustment Layer button in the panel Layers, choose Levels. In the Properties dialog box, we have a histogram. This shows the level of colors that are in the image, from darkest to brightest. As you see, there are not very many dark pixels in our image. We can adjust this by moving this dark or black slider so that it meets up to the edge of the histogram. You can hold the Alt or Option key to see which pixels would be clipped if you move too far. So if you see pixels that are black or a color, just keep moving it to the right until they disappear and you have a white image. Let go of the Alt or Option and you'll see the image again. Likewise, do the same for the highlights by moving the white slider. And we can check that with the Alt or Option and make sure that we're not clipping any pixels with relevant detail. Now the tone is fixed.